Hello, so we'd like to look at some statistics from Algebra 2 and Trig. So let's try to look into the first question first. Here we want to put this one into stem and leaf diagram. So in order for us to do that, we'll just set up the chart here. And then this will be stem, and then this will be the leaf. It's like a drawing and then you'll see that the lowest number seems to be 60s, or 50 actually, and highest number seems to be 90s. So we're going to have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And then we're going to write down the numbers, each one of them in this section. So first one is 95, so I'm going to put down 5 here, and 90, so I'm going to put down 0, 84, so I'm going to put down 4 here, and notice that here key will be 9, 5 equals 95. That's basically what we're talking about here. And 85, and 74, 67, and 78, and 86, 54, 82, and then 75, and 67, one more time, double that up, 92, and 66, and 90 once again, and 68, and 88, and 85 once again, 76, and 87. So basically that's what we can do. So we can just write them down in this way, or if you choose to do so, what we can do is we can organize each section here. So zeros basically in increasing order if you wanted to. So 0, 0, 2, 5. So here I'm going to rewrite this one as 0, 0, 2, 5. Here we have 2, 5, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you write them up in the increasing order, then it will be nice for the readers to look at. Here 4, 5, 6, 8. Here 6, 7, 7, 8. And 4. Alright, so that's it. Let's look at the second question. Frequency table, frequency distribution table. So in this case, we're going to set up the table. We're going to look at 3 by some numbers here, just randomly picking them. So here, I'm going to call this one as X. I, this is frequency for that table, this is tally. So it seems to be 0 is the smallest one, and then 8 is the highest one. So I'm going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I have to add more. So I'm gonna put it this way, and we're gonna have 6, 7, 8. Alright, so let's go for the tally here. 2, 2, 5, 1. So we're gonna have 2, 2, 5, 1. Alright. And then 3072, 3072. 43318. 43318. Okay. 5734. 5734. All right. 1063. 1063. Okay. 4112. 4112. So here we have frequencies 2, 5, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. So if you add them up, it becomes 11, 21, 25. Alright, so this is our frequency table. I guess we can just skip the middle portion and then using the x value, meaning the values here, and how many of them we have. Alright, let's move on to the next question. We want to graph this histogram. So it seems to be the smallest one is 5 through 9, and all the way going to 35 through 39. Alright, then what we're going to do is I'm going to first set up the x value, and then now we're going to have, what do we have here? Goes all the way up to maybe 19. 19 seems to be the highest value. So I'm going to arbitrarily make a mark. So this will be 5 through 9. This will be 10 through 14. This one will be 15 through 19. And this will be 20 through 24. This one is 25 through 29. 30 through 34, and 35 through 39. Alright, so and then here we have, I'll say this is 5, this is 10, 15, 20. Here, which is F, and then this will be X. Alright, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to use the rectangle. For the 5 through 9 would be 15, so 15 would be around here. And maybe I'll just color this one, maybe with gray. How about that? Second one is 19, so I'm going to just actually, what I have to do is next one, 19, so a little bit less than 20. Next one is what, 10? 10 will be around here. Oh, actually, it was 8, my bad. Okay, next one is 13. That'll be more than half. Okay, and then next one is 10. Next one is 19. About the same as the second rectangle. And the last one is 13. Okay, so that's basically what we can do. Alright, let us move on to the next question. The stem and leaf plot is shown above. How many people are 45 years old? 45 is, we have 2 people of that, so we have 2. How many people are older than 60? So it has to be older than 61 to 3 people. How many people are younger than 30? Then it has to be below 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With 12 people. What is the age of the oldest person in this class? Will be 72, because that's the highest. What is the age of the youngest person? It will be 10, smallest. Alright. They want us to find the mean, median, and the mode of each set of data. So here, in fact, we can use the calculator to do this one. So first, what we can do is this. We can put a stat, edit. On the list, we can plug in these values. 74, 78, 78, 80, 80, 83, we have 3 80s so far, and 82, 88, and 90. Now we have 9 such values so far. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, then what are we going to do? Put down stat once again, and this time we have to calculate. So go to calculate. We only have one variable here, so one var stat. And what we're looking for is list 1. So we can plug in list 1, or by default it has already will be calculating the values from list 1. Now if you put this one up over here, you get to realize that this is the average or mean. Median, in fact, can be calculated from here. Same thing, but that's the median. And mode is simply the most frequent number. So here we're going to have average, mean, we know basically all we have to do is add them up and divide by the number of count. When you add them up, it would have been 730, and then divide by 9 would have given you this one. So mean would have been 81.1, with the 1 repeating. Median is simply the middle number when you list them. Since we have 9 numbers, the fifth number will be the 1, which will be, in this case, 80. And mode is the most frequent. Most frequent number seems to be 80 here, because it came out 3 times. There it goes. And then here, find the median in the first and third quartile. Now we're going to do the same thing here. Stat, edit. This time we're going to just clear the whole thing. Let's try to plug in those values once again. 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11, 15, 16, 17, 20, 22, 23, 25. Alright, it seems like we have 13 numbers. 3, 2, 3. Okay, everything seems to be okay. How do you find the first, third, and then the median? In fact, it's very simple. Go to the stat, go to the calc, one var stat once again. Since we are looking at list 1, you can just press enter or put down L1 in this manner. Then here, these are the average and sum and all the standard deviations and all. But if you go down below, it's going to give you the minimum, first quartile, median and third quartile, and maximum. So it gives us all these pieces of information, and all we have to do is simply get them. Median is what? First quartile, Q1 is equal to 6.5, and median is 15, and then third quartile is 21. All right, so let's look at the next question. So from here, find the mean grade. In order for us to find mean, what we actually have to do is plug in, add up all these values. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm just going to put down all these things into the calculator once again. So here we have stat, edit, alright, so first 90 2 times 91, 92, 95, and 99. I took care of all the 90s. Let's go for 80, 80, 82, 2 times, and 85, 3 times, and 87, and 88, 2 times, and then 73, 75, 76, 76, and 77. One time now. After that, just 60, 65 2 times, and 55 one time, and then 47 one time. So I guess we had 25 values. That's given. Now we're gonna go for stat, calc 1 var stat, and then if you press enter, it automatically takes care of the first one, L1. So that's basically what we can do. We need that screen, and average it happened to be 79.52. The median grade, we can figure that out by median grade is here. (82). First and third quadrant, Q1 is equal to 74, and Q3 is equal to 89. Draw the box and whisker. So we can use, in fact, these pieces of information to do that exactly. So I'm going to draw this one. And minimum is 47. So, and then goes all the way up to 99. What I'm going to do is I'm going to arbitrarily just say this is maybe 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right. So first, what we have to do is we have to go for the minimum. So box and whisker plot, if you look into that, it looks something like this. That's the minimum, first quartile, and median, and third quartile, and this becomes maximum. So for the left portion, and let me try to use the Start with, I'm just going to use this one. That's the closest I can get, I guess. Here we have 47 through 74, 47, 50, 60, 74. Very close to it. Alright, so let's just actually forgot to write them down. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we'll be needing a box. Box has to go all the way up to 82. And another box from 82 to 89. And then the next one is all the way up to 99. About there. Alright, so that becomes our box and whisker plot. Find the mean, median, mode, all modes, and same idea. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put that into calculator once again. Stat, edit. I'm going to clear everything. Not delete, but clear. So here we're going to have 181, 199, 178, 203, 211, 208, oops, maybe 208, and 209, 202, 212, 194, 185, oops, it's going to be 185, 185, 208, 223, 206, 202, 206, and 202, 213, 202, 186, 189, 203. So we have 20 values, and once again we're going to go for second. One variable stat, and that's the value that we are looking at. And also, if you go down, so okay, here it goes. Then I think we're ready to answer the questions. What is, find the mean. Mean will be this one, which is 200.7. Find the median. Median will be right over here, 202.5. Find the mode or mode. Most frequent number seems to be here. 202 came out once, twice. Now, but anything else came out more than twice. 203 came out two times. 211, not really. 208 came out two times. 209, not really. 212, 194, not really. 185, 223, not really. 206. So in fact, it seems to be there are many modes here. So 208 is 1, and 202 is 1, and 203 is 1. And I think it seems to be that we have 3 modes. Find the first third quartile. So Q1 is equal to 191.5, and then Q3 is equal to 208.5. So here the minimum is 178, so maximum is 223. So we're gonna set up the similar thing as before. Here we have 175, 185, 195, 205, 215, 225. All right, and let's have the first part. It was 178 to 191, 178. So it's gonna be this 180. So 178 would have been over a little bit before. So 190 would have been in the middle, or a little bit more than that. And 190 to 202, so 2.5, so it's going to be around here. And 208.5. This will be 210, the middle. 208.5 would have been right over here. And the last closing has to start from 202.5 to 223. This is about 220, so 223 would have been around here. Alright, so that's basically how we can do it. Find the mean, median, mode. Here, it's easy to find mode first. Mode is 8. So we have 8 of them. Now, mean and median, we can find that using the calculator once again. But in this case, we have 2 values. So we have one value is what those are. Second one is how many of them we have. In order for us to do that, that's a little bit different. We have to use 2 columns. On the first column, we got to put the values in, which is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Oops. 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Oops. Guess I was typing a bit too fast. One point 1.4, 1.5. That was 1, 5, 8, 6, 6. Now, in fact, it's not 2 variables, but it'll be still 1 variable stat. That's what we are looking at, because second one is how many times it repeated. So what we have to do is, but we need to incorporate both lists. So here, if I put L1, L2, first one becomes the value, second one becomes the frequency, how many we had. Press enter, and this is the value that we end up getting. And let me put these values over here, maybe. All right, so here we have mean, Mean is the 1.342. And median is 1.3. Alright, that's it. How about the second one? Same way as before. So stat, clear, clear. Alright, so first we have to plug in these values in. 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, and 60. 2, 8, 12, 10, 9, 3, 0, 1. Alright, so same way as before. So here we have stat, calc, and one variable stat, the L1, comma, L2. Then we'll be needing this one, and okay, we'll be needing this one too. Alright, let's write down the values here. So mode is the most frequent, which is easy for us to look at, which is 85 because it has 12 of them. And median is 80 here. And mean here is this value because 81.6 with the bar on top. Alright, that's it. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.